Good morning, student. Today we are going to start next chapter that is rectification of error. Okay, beta. Rectification of error means when we are going to do the entry or correct all the things, entry, laser, posting. If any type of problem is coming, if you are not able to pay, if you are not able to write the right entry after the doing of this all entry, we are ending, when we are going to ending our account, and that time if we find some problem, some error in your entry or laser or posting, so then we are going to posted the amount or rectified that by the entry. As like if we are not doing the right entry, so then on the time of making a final account, if we are going to find out that error, so then we are going to rectify that error by the doing the rectified entries. Okay, beta? That is called the rectification of errors. Now, here we are going to know about that when we are going to rectify these all entries. Two way we are going to follow: before the making of final accounts and after the making of final account. In the before the making of final account, before the trial balance and after the trial balance. If before the making of final account we are rectified our entries, then we are going to do the rectified entries. But if after the making of final account we are finding some problem in entries or in posting, so for that we are going to start our making the suspense account, and next year we are going to just rectify all the entries. Okay, beta? Today we are going to start before the making of final account. Two type of problem is there on the time of before the making. One-sided error and second two-sided error. Today we are going for the two-sided error. Okay, beta? Two-sided error. Error which is going to affect two side or two account, that is called two-sided error. It means the error which is done in your accounting that will affect in the two side or two account, that is called two-side error. As like that, if you are going to do any type of fault or wrong entry, that will affect it two side. Okay, beta? One is debit and one is credit. They are affected two side. So that effect is coming on the two side, and that type of error we are asking two-sided error. That type of error we are asking two-sided error. Okay, beta? Clear? Because you will know about the debit and credit. I think you will know about the debit and credit. Okay, beta? One debit side and one credit side, and if you are doing any wrong entry, that will affect it two side. It means when the problem coming in the entry, so that will affect in two side. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay. Going for the next. Now we are coming from the error. In this two-sided error, four type of error is coming. In this two-sided error, beta, four type of error is coming. First, wrongly debited. Wrongly debited. Second, wrongly credited. Third, more amount. And fourth, less. Wrongly debited first, second wrongly credited, wrongly debited, wrongly credited, more amount and less amount. Okay, beta? These four type of error we are going to finding first. Now I am going with the first, wrongly debited. I am trying to make you all understand the error which is wrongly debited. It means when we are going to debit any head wrongly, that is coming in a wrongly debited. As like that, you are purchased a machine. You have purchased the machine. Okay, beta? The entry is machinery account, debit to cash. but you are entered wrongly purchase account debit to cash. Okay beta, purchase account debit to cash. Clear? Purchase account debit to cash. Machinery account debit to cash is right entry, but you are entered purchase account debit to cash, then wrongly debited. The place of machinery you are going to debit purchase. Okay? Clear? You are going to debit purchase. Clear beta? This is called wrongly debited. As like that, you are paying the rent. Then rent account debit to cash, but you are entered this rent in drawing. So then entry, wrong entry is drawing account debit to cash. Again wrongly debited. On the place of rent, we are going to debit the drawing. Clear? Clear or not? As like that, you are paying to Ram amount. So then Ram debit to cash, but you are entered as debit to cash. Again wrongly debited. These are the way by which you are going to enter wrongly debit. This type of error is called wrongly debit. Okay beta? Clear? Clear or not? Now how we are going to correct these all? How we are going to correct these all? Just see. This is the way by which we know about that it's a wrongly debited. Then how we are going to correct? First we are entered right entry, and right entry is beta machine account debit to cash. Then you are going to enter wrong entry, purchase account debit to cash. Then just opposite of this wrong entry. Opposite means cash account debit to purchase. Okay beta? Clear? Right entry, then wrong entry, just opposite of this wrong entry, and then rectified entry. This cash will cut with this cash, and its credit is the right entry beta. Machinery account debit to purchase. Okay? Clear? First we are going to enter right entry, machine account debit to cash. Then wrong entry, purchase account debit to cash. Then just opposite of the wrong entry, cash account debit to purchase. And then rectified entry, this cash is debit, this cash is credit, so debit and credit cut. And then machinery account debit to purchase. Okay beta? Clear? Machinery account debit to purchase. This is the rectified entry. Okay? Clear? It's a rectified entry. First right entry, then wrong entry, opposite of wrong entry, and then cut one things, and then coming the rectified entry. Okay. Now we are going on the wrongly credited. Second, just opposite of the wrongly debited. You are going to sell your machine. Okay? So right entry beta, cash account debit to machine. But wrongly you are going to enter cash account debit to sales. Okay? It's wrong. On the place of machinery you are entered the sales. On the place of machinery you are going to enter the sale. It's wrong. Clear? As like that, you are receiving the commission. Entry is beta cash account debit commission. Okay? On the place of this commission you are entered cash account debit to Clear? It's a wrongly credited. Again, on the place of commission, we have entered the rent. It's a wrongly credited. The C next. You are receiving the cash from Ram. So entry is cash account debit to Ram. But you are entered cash account debit to X. Again wrongly credited. These are the head of like that. Just suppose these are the question, these are the error. This is coming in the wrongly credited. These are coming in the wrongly credited. Now I am going for the correction. Or you say for the rectified entry. Okay, beta? Going for the rectified entry. How we are going to rectify it, beta? Same. First, write the right entry. Cash account debit to machine. Then wrong. Cash account debit to sales. Okay? Then wrong entry, cash account debit to sales. Then again the wrong entry, opposite of wrong entry, sales account debit to cash. Sales account debit to cash. Okay? Clear? Sales account debit to cash. Okay? So then cut this cash with cash and new entry is rectified entry is sales account debit to machine. Okay, beta? This is the rectified entry. Clear? It's a rectified entry. Clear or not? Clear na? Means again right entry, then wrong entry, then opposite entry, and cut one head which is mixing. Then other will we are cutting the is like a entry. As like that, you are paying to Ram but entered in X. So receiving to Ram, receiving by Ram cash account debit to Ram, but you are entered cash account debit to X. Opposite X debit to cash. Then cash cut, then X debit to Ram. Okay, beta? Clear? X debit to Ram. Clear or not? Clear na? On this way we are going to rectify the two-sided error. In this two-sided error, first is wrongly debited and second is wrongly credited. These two way or these two type of rectified or error we are going to rectify like that. In this type of questions, you can show right, wrong and opposite then rectified entry. Or if you are able to do this on rough, so directly you can show this rectified entry also. Okay? Directly you can show this rectified entry. Sales account debit to machine. Okay? Directly you can. But on this way you easily understand all the things. Again I have to repeat, only two, and I spend today only two in double two-sided error. Two head we are taking. First wrongly debited and second wrongly credited. Wrongly debited means wrongly debit account or debit the account wrongly. Other thing is right. Only debited wrongly. Okay? Then we are going to do the right entry, then wrong entry, then opposite, and then cut the one head which is missing, then rectified entry. Next, wrongly credited. In this system, wrong amount or wrong account will credited. Wrong account will credited, that is coming wrongly credited. Just like you see here, wrong account is credited. On the place of machinery, we are going to write the cents. Okay? Then right entry, wrong entry, opposite of wrong entry, cut the two head and then rectified entry, that is the sales account debit to machine. Okay, clear? Today I have only explained these two. In next class I will explain after these two more amount entered and less amount entered and suspense account. Okay beta, clear? Okay.